maxaka no to ka hambana vito ra mina hi mina Mandelegere gingirikani wa ka Mashava ni kene mi teka swinene no to ka hambana hi le Pitori namuntlha hi vhakele Pele Chud mara I Mapele the boss.
Yeah, Mapele the boss at the moment. I epukile ngongena but
ni vona interview kai ningi kama.
Yeah, nisaba ile kujikajiki.
Okay. Ai komela kwala. Guys, don't lose subscribe channel ko mina tano. Hit subscribe and also the notification bell. Kanelo wa gingirikani. Mapele ndaba hi vulavula vutomi bya wena before everything.
Yeah.
Mapele I huma ka Xihoko ne?
Yeah, ni tswariwa ka Xihoko, ni kulele ka Xihoko. Mara muti wa mina la nga aka kona ile ka N'wamiti.
Oh, le ka N'wamiti. Ka N'wamiti na section to talanyana.
Yeah, well look, la ni tshamaka kona ni ve na lucky va ku vitana ku hi le Mapele section.
Oh.
Mara I party ya le Rwanda.
Okay.
So mara kaya la ni humaka kona ile ka N'wajaheni. So na ti chominyana so va decide ku name that section under mina because no n'wana wo dumanyana katsongo ku hala ka tindhawu letiya so va ku vitana ku ri le Rwanda Mapele section.
Okay, so mara vito ra Mapele ro ri sukisa kwini?
Well look, Mapele loko hi vula in full it's Mapele Twani.
Mapele Twana. I'm tough to vela kwini guys.
Mapele Twani vula syllables.
Okay.
So
no ava hi sponsorang lava walo. Yo shava.
Anyway, so Mapele Twani I vito leri ni nga tinyika loko ni sungula ku yimbelela 20 years ago.
Okay.
So I think project ya mina kusungula ni tivitana Mapele Twani, then I realized kuri it's rather long wabona. Let it be a long name mara riri nice kuri pronounce, so I decided to just go with Mapele as the main name and then add swin'wana le masayitini.
So fala Mapele kilogram,
Mapele the boss, Mapele Ngungunyani, you know, xiteletele swa ku taniya wabona I xitayele xa kona I guess.
Okay, so I don't know so much there.
Yeah.
Nizela. Ikwele ka N'wamiti, I'll put it like that.
Yeah.
So xikolo ingene kwini kwala?
Look, ni sungule xikolo cause ni huma ka Xihoko, ni sungule xikolo ka Xihoko.
Yeah.
Primary level ya mina ni endle ka Xihoko, high school ni endle Giyani ni nghena Kheto.
Yeah. When was this?
Well, many years ago. Many years ago.
I'm also a Kheto graduate.
Oh, really?
Dude.
Nice.
We are all Kheto alumni, guys.
Yeah, it's Kheto. I think 3-4 years. I was still.
Come on, Stella.
Yeah.
After dining hall.
Yeah.
Guys.
The product in Kheto, Numa.
Okay.
Yeah. So Nsuke Kheto near Meridian College. Ankonko because then Akrukso Anelikaya and then Kuska Kona Ngena Cape Town. IUCT, I went to UCT. I did film and media studies at UCT. Yeah, from UCT.
That's one of the good universities.
Oh yeah, it was very nice.
Media studies.
Yeah. Well, look near UCT and Gaskot Kubla English. It's very funny. If love like topically. Last Saturday akurna na picnic ka xikolo xa vana va mina la va nghenaka kona.
Okay.
Ala Pretoria Eskwala hi tshamaka kona so va hi teke va hisa titlilasini va hi kombisa the way va hi dyondzisaka swona bro. Loko va dyondza maths ne va dyondza hi ndlela yin'wanyana ya very easy. Hina loko hi kuma that training hi minkarhi ya hina. Really? Would have been far.
So but I can't talk to someone maths
yeah, nah, still because so training la ikuma unfortunately ka skolo so it's not the same so senda ku munhu aya high school anga size athariya kahle and stuff like that, so imagine loko we high school uthoyelela high school unga university over compromised vutomi bya wena.
So loko university graduated then is ingatira hi swa leswi nga dyondzela swona?
Yeah. Look, loko ni ri UCT ani endla film and media studies.
Yes.
Ni ve na I don't know whether nta ku bad or like but loko na ri UCT then ansungula ku shoot. I did modeling na ri UCT wabona, so I did a lot of print work, ramp work, na TV work wabona, so I got recruited rather loko na ri UCT to go work overseas at London for some magazine as an editor there. So I got lucky, so I spent about 4 years in London, 3.5 to 4 years.
I believe so because
wativa loko na ku vuya laha vanhu a va ku hey misa loyi kasi huma kwihi
Yes.
look for some reason loko u tshame etikweni for nkarhi wa ku leha ne wa ya nghena that accent ya wena ya vona ya nghena yana and munhu un'wana a nge swi twisisa a nga ku okay this guy wa kona
Otonga.
yeah but unfortunately ya nghena that accent so I brought it back wa vona mara se ya nyamalala cause se i khale wa vona
ku nghene ku na xirhidzani se
a ni hi ba na tinsimu ta xigaza swi nga fambi njhani xigaza
so ri byela vanhu va tala ku tirha hi vuyimbeleri bya xigaza
yeah
na stock swa endla bulovedu music
Yeah,
wena
yeah.
like
Yeah.
bolo house
Bolo House, yes, that's my style at the moment.
so i ncini xi nga n'wi tlaku i twa navela ku va musician kahle kahle
Okay, look, mina ni huma ka background ya music. My uncle a guitarist. So, loko ni karhi ni kula na yena hamba tlanga the guitar, is the one that taught me how to sing. So, ka malembe matsongo a ni sungurile ku yimbelela. Wa vona so, ni kule ni yimbelela. And unfortunately ni sungula ku vona something like that ka rin'wana ra vana va mina and I don't think I like it.
why please quickly why
I don't know. I don't think I'm comfortable because so sunga vula ku ri anga tsakela ku yimbelela anga seta na xikolo.
okay
So I don't think I'm too comfortable and the youngest one ka byona lebyi va dzoba i vafana so
Yeah.
ri na that thing he's very good.
yes
He's 5 and usungula ku yimbelela hi ti-notes kahle so it's a serious problem.
talking about notes uzi nga yimbela swa choir wena
No, I've never, but my uncle loko ni kula a ni yimbelerisa hi ti-notes cause we I yimbelela hi ti-notes mina na yena I have music books and stuff like that.
that makes
So-
a lot of sense for me
Yeah.
because loko ni yingisela music wa wehe wu twala wu ri na ti-notations
Yeah, look,
ti last one for me right?
yeah,
I can hear it.
yeah. And kulang ning belela Shgaza, you see, it was not my first genre. And honestly speaking, Shgaza ashinga logo na kula ashinga kona ka kula kamina as kaban lava anilangta kabona as the musicians. You know, I looked up to people like John Lennon because my name is Lennon, my English
Yes,
name.
yeah.
My uncle gave me that name because of that. So I looked up to those guys. So the way they sing, you know, I grew up singing in that fashion.
Okay.
You know, so Logonian Karin Kula and then found my style. I fell in love with the Mozambican style. So I started off professionally singing Ishtaileshele Mozambique.
Mozambique, yeah.
Yeah, I worked with a lot of guys from Mozambique.
You worked with Mr. Bao?
Yeah, of course. But the first person it was a group I bitana H2O. Iba one big song. It was big la South Africa. It was very big. I won't say la South Africa. I would say Kamatonga Machanga.
Yeah.
That song I go.
Yeah.
Shitesh tabzikanza bukati ile subukati dzashitsanza. No, it's not that song.
Okay, but it's fine.
It's
fine.
not that
it's
song.
fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
One of those. Hey, man,
But you
it's many
also
years
worked
ago.
with Naboma Bermuda as well.
Yeah, Zico and
Zico,
yeah. Look, I mean the first official person wagu ntirana ena Mozambique angaduma it's Zico.
Zico,
So
yeah.
from Zico, you know, you won't believe this. Maralo, we nice song like Imbelela 20 years ago. Wow, Mr. Bao, aba Fulela stage in Mozambique.
Wait,
It's not a joke. He knows.
Yeah.
He knows.
Yes.
I Fulela stage, man. You know, but then you know, music was chincha,
Yeah,
new styles. The guy worked very hard.
Yeah, he did.
Now he's the biggest in Mozambique, Mr. Bao.
Yeah, he's
You
big,
know, he's very big. So, but
very big.
I feel so honored to
Yes.
have worked with him. Nanam Tanasos look no yo Bawito. I handle something.
Yeah.
We'll work.
Yeah, obrigado. Tudo bem.
Tudo brother.
Tudo bem, brother.
Yeah. You know, so I was privileged in Lela Yaku from an early age. Ka career mina music logo sungla kutira. I worked with guys that had been there.
That has had seen it before.
Yeah,
done it,
you know, so
got
I
the
got
t-shirt.
that experience, you know. So yeah.
Nice one. Guys, we are chilling here at Capello in Sunnyside.
Sunnyside, Sunny Park.
Sunny Park. Mapele emunhu randa gym. La henhla kuna gym, so he's from the gym. I had to, you know, no banyangeta. I guess it's ayabakaya.
Yeah. Satwa mina tani balogun fika kaya ndaban fike usiku.
Cause it delay we go. Why randa gym? Cause na one body when you know social.
Yeah, you know.
Na vela guys.
Mina navela we. Yeah. Look, like logo I've already mentioned modeling and whatnot.
True.
So it's from there learning a sungula ku randa gym because there I got choice. You had to work out. And this body I love not this one because then I look too big for what they needed.
Okay,
Yeah.
I saw
So u fanele u hita gym every time u nga dyi u hita gym, you know. So
Lero, are you taking supplements to have this kind of body?
no. Luckily I was born with a big body, so I don't really do much.
What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say kuba hembela laba ba teka supplement wa ku za ku body wena iba 100?
Look, I mean the supplements ta hambana, you know. Supplement as rito rona ri hlamuselaka u nga va teka ti protein supplements.
True.
Obviously if you're taking protein supplements ti ta ku pfuna, especially if a wu dyi ngopfu, maybe you've got u chava swakudya or this, then you'll be getting that extra protein, so obviously your body will grow.
Maybe man nga ta qualify because loko ni vona ndelo anu
Yeah, wa tirha ne?
no meshela.
Yeah, so koba one thing leswi affectaka vuswa ngopfu loko dya, because I know vuswa it's too hard, then you just grow a big stomach, so you don't really look too good.
Then you beside your venturing in the Mozambican kind of music, you ventured into Songa.
Yes. Yeah, truth of the matter, Eko Mina, as an artist, professional in Sungle music wale Mozambique.
True.
So I named music wale Mozambique for about 7 years. So after 7 years, ningena ka music wale Bulobedi. And then I did that style for about 3 years.
When was this?
I won't know in Malembe. That's why I'm about 7-3. I won't know
Okay.
But I've got a lot of hits before Session Telela. I've got the hits tabo Operation Delita, Delita featuring Bo. Yeah, featuring Bo DJ Sanko. You know, I've got Bo na Muntla Dubula with Janisto or the Double Trouble. I've got a lot of songs. Now Bo Pushy Girl, you know, so no woman Genakash Gaza.
Nava hi holda yana kwalani. Nava hi joina ka Xikaza first. Tavuya ka le ya Bolo House. Kuri you have five albums ka Xikaza.
I don't know. Probably, yeah. Okay.
Kilogram, Malamulele.
Yo, I'm getting TV mabito, but Matsibela, it's actually my favorite album, and hey, there's a lot of stories with that album, eh?
Yes. Mara kurin changing and lagu zed try na lagu tlanga music wa Xitsonga kahle kahle. That's what I wanna know.
Ku na ntiyiso lowu ni faneleke ni wu vula. A ni tlela ekaya ka mina laha ni tshama kona khale kwale ka N'wamitwa, ni twa sound yin'wana vong heke tungu heke ni ku okay wait, is this Xikaza? If this is Xikaza, I'm going there.
100.
Because you know that was new. I was not really fascinated before that time.
It makes sense because I was in a club. Well, guys, na club in Maranunjal, masona unati soft drinks.
Yeah.
They played Pengu, they played Heke in a club in Johannesburg.
Yeah.
There's no Tonga person there. You should have seen how people were dancing.
It
makes sense also because that's
honestly, Ambina namunta na soyezwe. And it's a song similar to that. Well, you go na le mina malamlele, cheza malamlele. Yeah, but there's those elements. Even today, you see, sound yona inga drive le.
Okay, mapele jango if ana akaya no slang sharila la.
Oh yeah.
So tell me, kuri naba yata isonga ya mara inkari na unomtsongo yami. Naba indlela ku isukiri wena ka Xikaza. Into xinga tsutsa ka Xikaza.
Yeah, hey. I'm
sorry, I have to ask because when we talk about vutisa la kahle very ifani vuya.
Yeah, look, it's a lot of people every day. But let me try, because I mean it's a lot of people and since you took your time utalani, I think okay, it's 2 reasons. Reason yak sungula iku the day that I said Kore Xikaza, I was working with na King Manada. We were making a lot of songs, and those songs I did too much on the side. Nikarana la Xikaza, Angolo suga Xikaza pese, and I won't say Anlo ya Xikaza. Look, I'm a vibrant, yes, vocalist, normal vocalist. I mean, I'm not a Xitsonga artist or what. I'm just a vocalist. Voice so like if you bring a nice rock song I'll definitely rock it.
You rock it.
Yeah, so look, I didn't leave Shigaza per se. It's koba ku ri loko ni aka house ka nkarhi walowa a ni nga ri na ti-tractor strong leti a ni twa nga ku ri ti nga challenge market. Do you understand ne? Mara it's a lot of things swi nghenelerini ka decision ya mina. One, ka Xitsonga ne? Yes, kuna swivulavula too much, man. You know, it's only a few people lava kota ku tlanga Xitsonga lexiya lexi ni lavaka xona, right? It's only a few people. Mara ku kota ku va ku tlangela ku nga va na
swin'wana na swin'wana.
yes, it's a yes.
What is this thing? Please tell me. Like,
I think, honestly speaking, I think kungaba ku ri jealous.
Okay.
Yeah, kungaba ku ri jealous. Okay, this guy is booming now. Bona yena hala na hala. People, ban Matsonga va ka hina va na that thing ya jealous too much. Or ban anga swi koti ku endlela swilo ya ku nyika swona on a silver platter like that. Fane ku ri na some conditions. Ta ku ri leswi so. Look, the people that I was working with then had a problem ku ri ni pfantirha na va mnandi.
Okay. If a man van love.
Well, Garlo and team Sherman. So there's some people who are within the team lava a va ri na problem with that, you know, and I honestly speaking
Oh,
ni ngo hlanganisa swilo mina I grew up doing music in that way. That's why now I've done an R&B song, I've done a hip hop song, I've done an R&B you know, house song, I've done Tsonga songs because I just feel I want to reserve that right as a vocalist to do what I want to do in Karwalo. So I had that problem. The second biggest problem, that album, it was the second Matsivela album. The first one, I deleted too.
So is it true to delete the album?
Yeah. That Matsivela album was a hit album, but I think it was half. I half the original. How can I lie about
Really?
this on camera? No,
You wanna say names?
I don't know who could delete money. No fika, kumainga kona ka system.
Maybe mapela anga kelang mali.
No, I always pay. Akuna munhu loyi ni kolotaka mali.
Yeah.
And the ka team leyi na ka yona I hakela hinkwenu. I remember for that album I paid 10,000 rands
to produce that album.
Yeah. I think it's one of the reasons nsuke la ni teke break nyana la ka Xigaza is because loko ni ya ka house akuna loyi nga tshama tirha mali ka house. Everything is just for free. Mapele,
I've already said this actually.
Yes.
I've already said this on radio. You're with Quintinizer. You were saying people just you get someone
no,
to get
I've got beats. Hey, I've got beats too. Yeah. I mentioned that person on the song. That's it. You see, that's how we work.
Feature each other. You can
Yeah.
eat via
of course,
some
royalties and stuff like that. And besides, man, we music over hobby guy. You know, we namtiro le ingenzela kumali tisela kusokujja maka. I'm a businessman.
Yeah.
I'm a businessman.
Is that the reason why I can't?
Yeah, some people worry why but look, I've got kids, I've got 3 boys. Obviously 4. Obviously sometimes imagine if you came to my house, shoot like out at queen.
Yeah, true.
Anfane nukumela munhu wa wena wa ti-lights room, nukumela wena room, nukumela cameraman ya wena room. At least for maybe mitena na ti-partners ta n'wina. Do you understand that thing? Yeah,
so that one you got accommodate kahle.
Obvious.
No guys, mi nga mberula and mapele akendi kulu. Niko mi check ikona, mi check Facebook. Because you follow him on Twitter or Instagram.
Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, mara nakuvulavula so because vanhu vari why mapela vulavula tiyindlo ka ti-video leta ta va Benny. Look, I mean Benny yana nga te hey I phikizana hi tiyindlo. So I have that house, I have a double story. Why yini xi endlaka ku mapela nga ngheneli ka such a challenge? Wait, this is here nga invite ka that challenge.
So it's a challenge at the
Look, I phikizana hi tiyindlo, double story. Is that not a challenge?
Well, it is a challenge.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, maybe I don't know. Maybe it is not. I don't know.
Yeah, but me, I mean, I need to take it as if it's a challenge.
Yes.
Oh, right. This is, I need to take it as if it's a challenge. One, this is so. Me, that's why I ended that day.
So, can you say you got inspired by that?
Kovani, kuposta indo.
Yeah.
What to do? What you talking about the video?
Yeah.
No, the video. Video. Anhlamula lesiyana ngasibuli.
Ite yini kas?
Kuna sauce ya mina leyi nga ta fika ku ri mapele ni khomele xikupu xin'wanyana bari wena i tele palms i lava ku va tlhavula hi voko i lava ku va maybe ku tirha na vona or swin'wana swa ku yelana sweswiya. I can't really say for certain the way a nga swi vurisa swona. Se va ku tlherisa va ku dismissile va ku tlherisa via VIP. Mina a ni zanga ni nga ya VIP ni ku ni na ku vonana na munhu mina. I had an appointment na Adam. Adam, by the way, huma ka N'wamito, is my homeboy, he's my brother.
I know.
Yes ku ri mina ni choose ku ya le hi siku ra function ya yena. So it's a personal thing. Want to say he doesn't own the place. What is this loko owner yi ku ai tana pounds namuntlha. Who am I to say because me not even lwana yena?
No, because someone can say why when I choose the way up Hamzi, he birthday up in my
He maka kur owner rain vitane sure.
Oh.
Why to say and mina where anna anga I didn't even have that knowledge. Ya kuna birthday ya benima yengan or whatnot. I mean he's my brother. He's my senior. And for mapele remember that meeting. Can we host that meeting today?
Yes.
In Nuguya, Nukte. So nifika la I have some hey mapele shin kokoka MCC slok shoot at the picture and stuff like that like Leon Barin MCs. So ngwanya iba na problem this guy mapele ola kuntekela spotlight. Well, I don't blame him. I mean I probably would have felt the same. Mara kutati sase uniendlela story xa ku ri mina ntena ku lava. Why? So
you didn't go to VIP when I got
No, I was I got VIP mara not where he was on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes. So the consequences.
But why did you do a video? Because someone can say, "Mapele maybe ila ku trenda
Okay. If you're someone who loy ungana mina ka Facebook ya mina, you'll see kurmina naturally. I love talking about the events leti humelela ku nkarhi wolowo loko vanhu vo ta ka wena va fika va ku gingirikani what ku ri swilo swin'wana loko ni swi analyze mina ni tirhisa wisdom ya mina ni swi vona ku ri these people vo va na problem na gingirikani ni ta swi tsala ka Facebook. Ku ri mina I've written a lot of that. Ni tsarile
I saw you wrote about TNS.
I wrote about TNS. I wrote about Master KG.
Yes.
I wrote about Makazi. I wrote about Nada. I wrote about psychology. I write about everyone.
Is this because I feel like you are a conscious person?
Yes,
is it because of the books you've read? What books are you reading? They just
yeah. Look,
the books
look. At the moment, I just read articles from papers, and I did a little bit of psychology.
Exactly.
Yeah, I did a little bit of psychology and so I know ku ri swilo swa ku tala leswi munhu a nga ta va swi endla swi nga hetelela swi khotsela munhu ti-problem ta njhani. You see a person like Benny Mahengani a ni lo byeriwa I just have a feeling ya ku u suffer from bipolar that I need to yi nga va yi sungule kwini and stuff like that, but obviously the guy needs help because he's not himself, because u tikuma se a create ti-enemies ka vanhu lava a fane a kalaka nga ri ki na business na vona. It's not normal.
But Mapele, don't you think this thing is standard ku na beef between wena na Benny Mahengani kumbe i khale beef yi ri kona?
Lexi ni nga ta xi vula i ku leswi a hi masungula ende a hi mahetelelo. Leswi ku ngo va masungulo ya mahetelelo. Loko ka u ni twisisi nga ku hlamusela.
Please explain to me. I mean like set the record straight.
Le quoting one loyi tsamanyana hi maka Winston Churchill. Nkarhi lowu a va lwa na va Hitler minkarhi liya ne aku hi ta lwela tibichini will fight amoyeni hi ta lwela hinkwako amatini and stuff like that. We nge surrender, we shall never surrender. So
No, no,
I believe a person can learn a lot and stuff like that. So what I'm trying to say, this is not the beginning nor the end. So I beginning my tivan sonyo ibe kona la ya beef ya Mr. Post na mapele mara aku ngari xikongomelo xa mina then.
Can you tell us about Sonyo while you were there? Like what was the whole idea? At some stage, guys. Okay. Because of the camera la wadi.
Hey,
no,
look, la ku ri xitori swimbirhi ka trekking, that's why I lane. Mr. Post are not the problem ta yena. Is that guy ka nkarhi walowo?
Yes.
Na mina ni ri na problem ta mina.
That guy Ulaman.
Ben.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. mara I won't go into detail ka ti-problem leti a ni ri na tona na yena hi ku lexi a xi lwisa mina na yena
Yeah.
wa xi tiva yena
I ncini?
mara a nge mi byeli yena
Hi jail.
loko yena a tsandzeka ku mi byela mina white fanele mi byela swa ku
Amulisa
yena
yini Mapele?
okay well look a ku ri na munhu xikarhi mara teto hi tin'wana a hi ti tshiki vulavula hi
Okay.
swa sweswi
Okay.
wa hi twisisa because
But no, I'm just because magu loko ke ni himpela ku na ku kwetlembeta loku nga kona swi lava ku na la swi sukela kona. If that is the root,
yeah
you need to deal with the root.
yeah look kwetlembetano a wu ri kona mara hi knowledge ya mina a wu herile
Oh, okay.
that's why ni nga hleketi na yena Ben as we speak now ku kona kun'wana ni nga fika ni va vulavula swilo swa negative yena ni endla post ka Facebook ni tsala swa positive va ku hey yindlo
Ku defend.
yes
Okay.
no ku the guy cannot finish that house in one day because ku aka yindlo hi matlangwana
Because was still.
because I know I've
Yeah,
been there
true.
mara ito a humesa video liya a ku a hi competeni hi laha swi nga cinca mentality ya mina yi nga a ku ri evolution ya kona laya mara I did write about that was this it's not that I stated session ntsena I did another post laha a nga humesa video yin'wana a ku munata na Hennessy va n'wi yivele nghoma
Yes, I saw
no
that.
ku ya mina ni nga ka ni nga twi va ku yiverile mara liya ya yena yi ni bela ku tlula liya yin'wana
True, you did say that.
I did say
remember
that.
Yeah,
I don't have. I never thought we've got a problem.
Okay.
So loko a vula swilo leswi ive kahle
Swi pfuxelela swilo swa
yeah
khale.
tindzwana leti a ti tlele ti pfukile hi swilo leswi se ku fanele ku va na switandzhaku swa kona muthu a sweswi ni vulavulaka
Okay, va ka hina tshaveni Mapele la a Capello la a Rhapsody. Swi na ku na Rhapsody laha hansi le Pitori la hi nga kona side side. Le bdeleni ka interview ya hina na Mapele. Pele Chud.
Mapele the boss
Mapele the boss.
at the moment
Kaidela, look on subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And also tell other people about this interview. Share it, comment down below. Like he look good, he look good. And Pele shoot.
yeah
It's ngari beef yi puna income music. Wanga very into music unandia. Is it true?
what I can say about music there's a big difference between Xitsonga na ti-genre letin'wana
What is the difference?
the biggest difference i ku Xitsonga market wa vanhu va Matsonga it's very small
Yeah, true.
it's very small like look ti-genre letin'wanyana wa vona this whole thing i ti-genre letin'wana Xitsonga ku va this genre so music lowun'wanyana if ku va ku ri na beef ka lava right it can't be good because mi va mi divide ti-fan tin'wana ta ku tala so swi nga hetelela swi causa conflict ka future but ka Xigaza it's a different story
What is the story?
hi mhaka ku ri the market is very small
Yes.
loko u humesa track today loko u humesa track today everyone wa yi tiva that song especially u ri na vito
True. That is
loko u humesa a track today everyone wa yi tiva that song do you know the disadvantage is i ku ri by tomorrow they want another song wa yi twisisa so imagine if track ya kona yi ri dalo wa mina ntombi na ku rhandza ni ta fana na wena and stuff they've heard it a million times before
Yeah. I'm gonna be that creative enough to be able to
Why
produce
this is-
something better
so loko
than
i
that.
ta hi beef ingoma yi vuya ku ingoma that's the difference
Oh, I got it. So
that's the difference
the creative juice Iva is very activated. Loko kuna beef.
loko ku ri na beef namuntlha mundzuku ku ta va na beef before beef liya mundzuku yi fika people are waiting are asking for it because the market is very small track leyi a yi swi koti ku ri vanhu va yi ba nkarhi wa ku leha mara if it's beef va ta yi ba until the next beef
Until the next beef.
yeah and unfortunately look beef yaleyi tlhe create na ti-events because it's a small market man it's a small market so reason yin'wanyana ya ku ri ni suke ka Xitsonga i ku a ni build a brand ya mina ni fikela makumu ni swi twa ku ri there's nowhere else to go nobody un'wana na un'wana wa Mutsonga knows me so when you go to the bigger market it takes time to build your brand mara the results ta kona ti ava much more than that because the market is big
Is that the reason why logo psychology aku wasuka ka TS uenda mapiano in supporting
I supported him because mina loko nisuka ka Xitsonga nkarhi luwa when I did my last album loko ni tsala something ka Facebook a ni ta kuma 10 likes Mara, when I write something on Facebook now, come on, really? Do you want to compare? I'm building a brand.
True.
I'm building a brand. I market low today. Mara, a quarter, yantiva today. That quarter, yona like a Facebook. Everyone is tired. Like a market low. Mara, so as Vuluguri and Ningen, the storm.
Yeah, tell me, are you coming back, Kashton? Outer Palms, what was the meeting? Is it maybe you are launching an album or a CD launch, you know, at Palms, that the attend, you know? Tell us.
The biggest problem it's only a few people who have good songs. Ima maulele lava mina ni va vonaka ku ri I va mbawulele ka vanhu lava nga tshama ntlangeni.
Yeah.
I mbawulele I nice
Nice yona nga pa
Narangani.
yona nga pa KFC nice.
Nice KFC no njani lo tlanga tsandzana KFC no KFC ku be Condos, I think.
Oh, Condos.
Yeah. Nice unbele malamlele. Cheza malamlele.
Cheza malamlele.
Look, it's a lot of people who kota kutlanga mara. It's only a few lava kota kuimbelela ka track tabo. What is this? Hey, bruh. Shadura these things. They cannot do a song for free. Waban imali yakutala le ufana ku spend lo kwenda album. You're looking at more than look album tsena just to say I've got an album. It's more than 10,000 rands. And look funny we shops at 10,000 rands. Bro, you won't look at shops at CD set or you won't even sell 1,000. There's no stronger artist at the moment. Lo angata ku jela ku mina shops 200 CDs. It will be a lie. It will be a lie.
Kasi katong jela look I call like CD ne.
Yeah.
Because mina na issue yaku but motala look ba release that album. Magu ti tekwa ti chero ka YouTube to download diwane. Most artists don't make money via that. They actually lose a lot of money. It's actually a new version of piracy. I've spoken about it on my other channel.
Yeah.
So, is that the reason yagu akuna mali ka Xitsonga? That's why ilagu beside the market yagu yikula like a bolo house at other genres. Mali, is it an issue?
Look, like I said, but I'll speak for other artists.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I hobby music. I don't want to lie to you. It's a hobby. Look, I'm gonna mind the mess of that 10K in the album, even if Inga Shabi said that much. But the album, where I spent that much money, total atagona tibe good sellers. But if someone fikelela mali le nga endla yona angakona icona artist. I'm telling you now Samina we icona artist le nga buisa mali yona kwendla album unless album artist yale yi endlura album mahal. Want to this. So what I can say for the artist nowadays artist le nga ta ku yona yomesa album ayinge mali. So the album yendli wa ku kota ku music ku duma, right? But I'm with an event.
Then akota ku mali so at the event.
Yeah, so
but how many people get invited?
Well, if you've got a hit song, it invite you. But what I've noticed Kash Gaza, I'm bit track on a tiba. How invite you we magaku. Hey magaku kuna ban babo. Okay. Why to this? But what ba beef ne? Ta invite you. What bad beef it I invite? I don't want to lie to you. What bad beef it I invite you?
Yeah, tabu ya music as
yeah.
Because if you say nton motala babu la aba invite you Kash Kazambo, many to think album to anti ba mar kuma munakala nga
tell it too much. There's a lot of nice songs, man.
I know.
It's sad.
Then kuma yeah, it is very sad. Kuma go invite
same people
all the time.
Yeah, same people. And kuma go ba na hit na with those people kan karwalo. This is Mono loka karahanya ka this game. Oba create the friendship. What is this? Imagine if Minan no the event or no artist. Obviously ntakubitano to perform.
True.
Yeah, I'll call you to come and perform ka event ya mina. So let's put it this way. And
how can we solve this? What must be done? Can you enjoy in kusulungisa kulo kumuntu abehit akwenda ku invite you. Kumukulo kumuna umese album leyo ba yikota kuwina na award.
Yeah, it's problem balaba bataskota balaba bakamngano ne. Balaba abata ikota ku solve a problem yale, but then kuna the issues to karna kono. So I don't want to talk about that, but yeah, you know. So unfortunately problem li permanent and kankaro waso I solve kifana na X. So okay, no. I mean, I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to lie to you. yi kona iphilenge lendleleni, a few songs.
When is it coming back? Load shedding.
Load shedding. Yi kona iphilenge lendleleni. Yi ta huma kwala before Good Friday.
Yeah.
4 good songs. Timbirhi ta tona van'wana munhu un'wana a nga endla mistake a ku beef mara mina a ni endlanga as beef. Mara wena swo endleka loko yingisela u hleketa ku beef. In fact, ni vone that episode that you did. U tlanga that song ya mina ya Kamabzala ngwino lamlela osimina nalekaya natle. You know, it really took me back and nitwa navela that.
So
Ntinavela look right. I was watching that with my wife and then she's like, yeah, ne mashi
blushing.
and then you know I made a joke. Look, hey, this is China marana zunduk hey antar lava ler. So we almost had a small problem with my wife. Marana joke, so she knows. So kutlamla kwesini ya wena, like I said before, kore mina angolo suka kashgas.
Yes.
Angarna hit ya kuyihumesa all this time.
Okay.
But I believe I've got 2 hits letting her confident it on.
When are they coming out?
Hey, ti kona. Le yo sungula kona magidigidi pa. Ebetrayo.
Magrigipa is not new. You've said this before.
Yeah, mara ndlela yin'wanyana.
Yeah, Magrigipa pa
20,000 mara le yivuye swin'wanyana ka hari swona leswiya mara le magidigidi pa. Yina swin'wana swa yona kwala ndzeni.
Okay.
Na swivuluvulu.
Okay. Breaking news.
Yeah, in fact, jokes aside, the track ti kona. Leti inga busy tona nta nghena studio hi Saturday. Ange vuli ku ri mana nga ta nitlangela.
Saturday of this month.
Yeah, Saturday le inga kona hi landa ka yona nghena studio. Meaning ku ri in about a week from now, nto lahlela so ni vona ku ri minkarhi le loko minkarhi ni wa hoxa yin'wanyana. Mara 10 or maybe 20% ya ti supporters ta Xitsonga tinge ti love the track letiya.
Why?
Hi mhaka ti ta hleketa ku i beef.
Oh.
Mara hi beef.
You just said it when is beef swa trenda so swi ndla va hi rana.
Yeah, vo to hleketa ku i beef so trenda hi ndlela liya.
And before man. Okay.
Oh no. I beef. But look, I mean, honestly speaking, I've been gone for too long, and
and it's not that the album, it's just gonna be singles.
Yeah, obviously. I don't owe anyone an album. We don't do albums. It's old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Yeah. Look, you spend 3, 4, 5 months in the album, 10 songs, ukuma kuka 10 songs liya na hit na yin'we kona, it's possible. Mara loko humesa kwala na kwala pa the chances ti tele ku u tlombela hit.
I know when it's only music for money, man. But how do you make money from music?
How do I make money from music?
I know you're not doing for money, but does money come in though?
Yeah, look,
in any different format.
Look, I mean, I'll give you an example. I've got a big song now. It's called Welcome to 2020. Kona laka
I saw it on
Bolo House.
Yeah.
That song, so to Sumabama, 60
something.
Yeah, 70,000, close to 70,000 today, 70,000 views. So in between the songs, kutlanga the ads.
Yes.
So the ads later, Bolo House, you come at the royalties, and I get royalties from there.
From Bolo House.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how I make money from music.
Can we address this thing? Because that's a very good one. Because you are talking about people who are putting other people's music on their YouTube channels.
Yeah.
I'm talking about a latest album. If you dampo and YouTube channel ya Moon without the permission the artist himself.
Yeah, that's a serious problem because the guy luang I dampa laya. Ulo ku endleni ka mali.
True.
Ulo ku generating ka the royalties.
Yeah.
Loko yi tlanga yi va na ti hits to karhi laya ka YouTube ya qualify for mali.
Yeah.
So that money comes in loko yi ta obviously why yi dya that person, you know.
I know someone can say manje ngirika no post simtawan mara mina post video leti ni nga teka
Yeah.
and kuma I the latest album
Yeah.
I'm taking album ya munhu leti dapa hinkwayo ka YouTube ya mina
Yeah.
because a latest album I respect that.
Yeah.
It's property, you know.
Yeah, but Mina, I don't have a problem. Even if you were to do that, we don't have that. Those kind. I love Lobedu. We don't fuss about
money.
Shark
It's
Fun.
about making music. It's about having fun.
Yeah, well, it's about having fun. The more track you wanna do, the more increase the chances that when you book you. Do you know, good for a show? I love Lobedu. You can look about book for an event. You can easily charge 50K upwards. So that money, as talang ngayon talaga.
3,000 at 1.5. Mamlika majega
Yeah. And bejelenga rulwani bema pele na nes cheza malamlele cheza. You know what? A person irtuna nes lokafana kuinka 10K, brother. They would have a serious problem. 10,000, it's a lot of money and stuff, you know. But imagine you two artists, some fanim share Malmon. How much do you pay your dancers? You both in Johannesburg. Look, how much have you guys spent already? You know, they don't think about such things.
Why are you nes?
Yo, Obana music, music nkarungwan, I believe, personally, I believe kuri nkarungwan bam hlanganise xikwembu ka nkarhi walowo. So melela kuri loko ni ri na Sesnes swilo leswi hi swi endlaka swi va swi ri powerful than loko ni ri na vanhu van'wanyana. So I believe kuri combination liya ni va ni hlanganise xikwembu mina na yona like swi tele ngopfu ka music swo fana sweswo but swi tele ngopfu uma ku xikwembu xi mi hlanganiseni for that particular moment u kuma ku mi ya ringeta nakambe hi something ka nkarhi wun'wana swi nga ha endli wa yi twisisa. So ko va that thing ya ku ri mina na vona ha tlika nkarhi wun'wanyana loko u ri artist ku na ku fika u nghena studio na vanhu ne because a mi rhandzani ne u kuma ku the atmosphere is not so good a wu koti ku delivera your best. So mina na Sesnes, the energy is there. Look, reach stage in the energy is there. We love each other. What's this? Yeah.